Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. This video explores how artists like yourself can use scissors and glue to make a collage. A collage is when you cut and glue many things together to make a work of art. You can make a collage in your own style by grabbing a pair of scissors, a glue stick, a small stack of magazines, and a sheet of paper. Before you begin cutting and gluing, take time to think about what you want to make and how you want to make it. It can be wise to have an idea and a plan ready in your brain. I almost always plan on starting with a light sketch of what I want to make. When you're ready to start, begin looking through magazines, scrap papers, or newspaper for colors, shapes, and things that you would like to paste on your paper. Collage is basically a creative way to cut and glue. Make sure that you are thinking safely about how you are using your scissors, and when you're ready to glue something onto your paper, remember to press and hold for 5 or more seconds so it won't fall off later. It is wise to start with details in the background of the picture or composition. You can see how I begin by laying colors in the background first. I use blue colored scraps to make the sky and green scraps to make the ground. You can think about color this way when you try collage in your own style. Plan to keep layering details on your paper to bring your idea to life. Collage can be a messy form of art making from all of the cutting and gluing. Here are a few tips to try. Organize your studio space by making a stack for magazines, a stack for scraps, and a special spot for your scissors and glue. Keep track of your glue stick cap because it will dry out if you lose it. Write your name on the back of your paper before it's too late, and wash your hands when they get sticky. You will need a good amount of time to work on your collage. These do take a while. If you run out of studio time, you can place your clippings in a bag and save it with your work until the next time you're able to work on your project. Since you used a lot of glue, it is important to leave your collage on a drying rack or somewhere else to dry. Sometimes it can be challenging to find all of the things that you are looking for in just magazines. You can also collage with scrap papers, newspapers, stickers, and other fun items. Whenever you're working on an art project, remember to treat your studio space with compassion. Everything has its own special home, so make sure that you find that home for each item you use during collage making. Remember, collage can be a messy form of art, but artists always leave their studio space better than they found it. When I finish my collages, I sometimes apply a coat of Mod-Podge over my work. This will give your masterpiece a protective finish that looks shiny and nice. Remember to place your art somewhere to dry fully when you are done. Always treat your art supplies with compassion. Clean your brush with soap and water because Mod Podge is super sticky. It really can ruin your brush if you don't take care of it. Making a collage is a great way to be creative in the art studio. I challenge you to make a collage in your own style. Yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.